So if you want to get the PayPal debit or credit Mastercard, here is how you can do it. So go to your browser, just go to Google and type in PayPal Business Credit or Debit Mastercard, and you will get to this link here from the official PayPal's website, which is what's the PayPal Business Debit Card. Just open this link. Okay, so open this link, and once you open this link here, you'll get to this screen here. So here it shows you about these Debit Mastercard and how you can apply this. So this one is only available for business customers, so make sure you have a PayPal business account. Only then you will be able to use this. And apart from that, you have other eligibility that which you need to meet here, so you can just go through these to get that. So once you are eligible, if you're eligible, all you have to do is, so you'll see that there is a link here which says apply for the business debit Mastercard here. So click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to ask you to log into your PayPal business account. So just log that in, and once you've logged that in, all you have to do is simply follow few prompts and questions and just answer them to submit your applications. And once approved, you will receive your debit Mastercard from PayPal.